Hi everyone, myself Jagruti Bimba. I am pursuing my education in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I am going to explain about the waste stream assessment. Firstly, introduction to waste stream assessment. Waste stream assessment is a process for understanding the composition, quantity, and sources of waste in a community. It's a key part of solid waste programs as it helps local governments design strategies to reduce the waste. Next, the importance of waste stream analysis. The first importance is about the environmental impact. Environmental impact reduce environmental pollution and resource depletion. The second importance is about cost saving. Cost saving identifies waste reduction opportunities, minimizing disposal cost. The last importance is about the compliance. It ensures compliance with environmental regulations and standards. Next, the common approaches to waste stream assessment. The first approach is about records examination. It reviewing existing waste records to identify waste generation patterns. The second approach is about facility walkthroughs, conducting physical inspections to observe waste generation points. The third approach is about waste storing and characterization. It explains about the collection and analysis waste samples to determine composition and volume. Next is about the records examination. There are three steps. First step is about waste manifest, and the second step is about purchase order, and the third step is about production records. First step is about the waste manifest. It tracks waste disposal and transportation. The second step is about purchase order. It identifies raw materials and packing. The third step is about production records. The production records reveal waste generation during manufacturing. Next is about the facility walkthroughs. There are three steps. The first step is about waste collection points. The waste collection points observe waste segregation practices. And the second step is about equipment. Equipment identifies sources of potential waste generation. And the third step is about process flow. The process flow understands the movement of materials and the waste. Next, waste sorting and characterization. It has a three step. First step is about weight and volume of the waste. It determines the quantity of each waste type. The second step is recyclable material. It identifies materials that can be reused or recycled. The third step is non-recyclable waste. It analyzes of the waste components that cannot be easily recycled. Next, identifying opportunities for waste reduction. The first step is source reduction, minimizing waste generation at the source. The second is reuse, repurpose waste materials for alternating uses. The last step is recycling, recycling process waste materials for reuse. Next, implementing effective waste management strategies. The first implementation is policy development. Policy development establish clear waste management policies. And the second implement is about employee training. Employee training educate employees about the waste reduction practices. And the third implementation is waste audits, regularly monitoring and evaluate waste management performance. Thank you.